The first decision, the most important decision would be the color. Since we offer so many colors, it will be very difficult for a bride to come in if she doesn't have any idea already as she walks into the showroom of what color to use for her dresses. She'll be overwhelmed because we have over 70 different colors. I would ask the bride to go ahead and imagine the wedding, what is her favorite color, and everything should be coordinated, and don't use more than 3 colors in your wedding. Let's say you want your venue to be blue, and let's say that you love blue and green together, then your bridesmaid, you should sing along the line of these 2 colors and not go outside of what you're already doing, within your wedding planning and your wedding colors. So once the color is decided, then you should consider the silhouette and the shapes, the size of your bridesmaids. Since it's not like that everybody's going to be in the same size, think of necklines that will flatter everyone. This is the case where you want the traditional look where everybody dressed the same. Pick a dress that's going to flatter everyone, which is not going to be easy, but we do offer a few necklines that are pretty universally flattering. If that's not the route that you want to go, you want the bridesmaid to really pick whatever they want to wear, and you have no problem with that, which is about 50% or even more now bridal parties. Then just bring the bridesmaids in, tell them that you've decided on a color. You go just trying whatever you want to try on, pick a neckline that you love, and pick the length that you want, since we do offer knee-length and full-length dresses. I have never been a big follower of trends. I love classic clothes. I love clothes that, you won't look silly, in after 20 years, because the wedding photos are forever. So I am a big, fan of dressing, in a classic way. As what you see here, this is a one shoulder. It's part of the trend right now, but people have had one shoulder dresses since like 100 years ago. So it's still a classic dress. You're not going to look silly and ridiculous in it, after many years. And that's the one thing that I always ask the bride to do too. When you go shopping, yes, such and such look right now is like the hottest trend, but will they still look beautiful after 20 years? Look at the, photograph. How many, silly looking wedding pictures have we seen, through the years in the 70s and the 80s with the big giant puff sleeves and everything. So I've always been a big fan of classic looking clothing.